Hi, I'm Helen and I'm a crochet designer. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to work Intarsia Crochet. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Intarsia Crochet is a way of making coloured patterns within your crochet work without carrying the yarn within the stitches. To do this, the yarn being used is left on the wrong side of the work to be picked up again in the following row. I find it easiest to wind smaller balls of yarn for this section, as set out in the pattern. For this swatch, I'll be working colour blocks of 5 stitches. To begin, chain 1. Double crochet in the first 5 stitches. Do not complete the final stitch. Attach the next yarn colour, yellow, with the last yarn over of this 5th stitch. Release the first colour, white, to the wrong side of the work, ready to be picked up again in the following row. Double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Do not complete the final stitch. Attach the next colour, blue, with the last yarn over of this 5th stitch, releasing the yellow yarn to the wrong side of the work, ready to be picked up again in the following row. Continue along the row, working blocks of 5 double crochet stitches in each colour, and releasing yarn balls to the wrong side of the work when each block is complete. Turn your work. Chain 1. To create the diagonal effect, work 4 double crochet stitches in the first block, changing colour with the last yarn over of the 4th double crochet. When changing colour, pick up the yarn waiting from the previous row on the wrong side of your work. Continue along the row, working blocks of 5 double crochet stitches. Join the new colour, lilac, with the last yarn over of the next stitch. Work 1 double crochet in the last stitch and turn your work. Continue to work blocks of 5 double crochet stitches whilst reducing the block on the left and increasing the block on the right when looking at the right side of your work by 1 double crochet each row. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments. See you for more videos soon. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to find a new project, book a workshop, or learn a new skill.